Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. Woo! I'm gonna kill myself today. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifted State. Today we're back on two wheels, enjoying another day of cold weather, of course. And here we go. Woo! We just had a little bit of snow the other day, and the roads are... I think we got a little bit of black ice here and there, and I just slipped up a little bit back there, but probably because I need a new tire too. Anyways, so it's cold. Enjoying this ride though. Anyways, I can't talk today. I'm just enjoying the cold. So they say the key to happiness is a full tank of gas, but they forgot to mention that warm weather goes really well with that. So anyways, today, folks, I want to talk about being hungry and not starving, but wanting more out of life and going out and getting your plate. So some of us are content where we're at, and some of us, we always want more. And I think what happens sometimes in life too is we'll get to a point in our life, even though like we'll get hungry, and then we'll get to a point in our life where, you know, we'll get comfortable again, and we stop going out and looking for another plate or a bigger plate or more to put on that plate. And also, let's keep in mind with that too, like, you can be hungry, you can be motivated to go out in the world and get more out of life and keep achieving more goals and bettering yourself and all that stuff, but also stay humble. You know, never forget where you came from, never forget the struggles that you had to get through to get to where you're at. You know, so there's, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with being content. Some people are okay with that. You know, my sister and I, we're kind of two different breeds. We both came from a family where we didn't have a whole lot in life, and you know, I think she does want nicer things in life, but she's fine and she's happy where she's at. She is, and I'm not speaking for her, I'm just saying the way I see it. You know, I feel like she's content and happy, whereas me, I've always been like hungry, like I want more, and I want it all. So I don't want to say greedy, but I want all that life can offer, or all I can take from life. So I go out, and you know, she works hard too, but I go out and I do these things, and I do what I need to do to better myself. So, and I'm sure a lot of y'all are the same way. And there's some people out there too that, like I said, they watch this channel, they're content. But more than likely, if you're watching this channel, it's because you like the bike, and that means you probably want one yourself, which means you're probably gonna hustle to go get one, aren't you? Yeah. And well, off topic, but keep in mind, I think Harley Davidson discontinued all the Sportster models, so who owned Harley? Your loss. Anyways, so yeah, going out in life, and you gotta wake up every day and just take full advantage of, you know, while the sun's up, just take advantage of every bit of it you can. So I'm really feeling sketchy about this rear tire. All it takes a little bit of black ice, and then it's game over for Timmy. Anyways. So yeah, going out and while the sun's up, taking full advantage. Me, I work night shifts, so I lose some of that daylight, but I'll work all night, I come home and I sleep, and it's a struggle for me, I'm not gonna lie. It is a struggle for me to, once I wake up around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, to, all right, get up, get going, get motivated, especially when it's cold outside. And I just dread it. And like today, doing this motor vlog, man, I was dreading every minute of it. I'm like, as much as I want to do it, as much as I love making these videos, man, it's cold out. But I also know if I want to make something more out of this channel, if I want to turn Shitting State into a brand, you know, I got to get out and I got to hustle. I got to stay hungry and I got to go out and get my plate. And right now I'm grabbing at scraps, but I'm gonna get a big old piece of cake. I'm gonna fatten up, and I hope you guys, you get that same kind of drive too. Woohoo! Oh man, even though it's cold, this is fun. And hold on. Had to put that foot down for a minute. Anyway, so yeah, staying hungry, and don't be afraid to wake up in the morning and go out and get your plate. So just, I want to motivate you guys, get you out there, even if it's cold outside. Go out, do what you need to do. If you want something out of life, it's up to you to go out and make it happen. Don't rely on others to, you know, or like by chance, like magically it's gonna happen for you. It doesn't work that way. I mean, for some I guess it does, but for the most part it doesn't work that way. You have to go out and make those connections, talk to people, you know, put in the work, put pen to paper, create ideas. And especially if you want to do a motor vlog, the biggest part to it is you got to get up, you got to go out and, you know, hit that start button, start recording. And like me, get comfortable at talking. I can ramble, but whew, especially when it's cold. Did I forget to tell y'all it's cold out here? Just in case. Anyways, so to motivate you guys, I want to kind of create each week some homework for y'all, and I may stick to it, I may not, but we'll see how it goes. So what I want to do for you guys is I want to create some homework, and I want you to hit that like button, hit the notification bell for one, hit that subscribe button, and keep following along, because I want us to work together on this. You know, we're a family, so we got to look out for each other. But the homework that I want you guys to do is, first thing, just the first request that I do is, or I want to ask y'all to do is, before the next video drops, every day you wake up, just do 5 push-ups. Just make that your goal. You know, do 5 push-ups, start your day. Say, okay, today I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna get out of bed and I'm gonna do these 5 push-ups and I'm gonna go start my day. And I hope you can take that homework assignment and use it as your motivation to get up and get started and get going. So with that said, I love you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, join the family. I want us to grow, and you know, notification bell, like, all that good stuff. And also on top of that, in the comments below, leave a comment. Always, you know, let me know what you're thinking, how you feel. But in the comments, write something that you want to achieve this coming up week. And then next week when I post a video, let me know if you achieve that, you know, goal or not. So with that said, one last time, I'm sorry, I apologize. I'm apologizing again. Dang it. Anyways, I said earlier, the first video this year, that my goal for the year was going to be, what did I say it was? 10,000. I want to hit 10,000. I got to think about it, and what kind of motivator would I be if I set the bar low? So I really want my plaque from YouTube, that 100,000 subscriber plaque. So that's going to be my goal for the year. Whether I hit it or not, that's my goal. So we're going to do it, guys. Anyways, y'all ride safe, stay warm, and I'll catch you next week.